Okay, hi everyone. My name is Lim Liang, MA151183. Today I'm doing the software tutorial section for the subject BMM4843 Plastic Injection Technology under the supervisor NJ1 Saruzi as my lecturer. Okay, so without any stopping, we move to our first part. Which is we're going to do the tutorial about the field analysis quick start tutorial. Under this tutorial we have total 7 parts, which is create, import, set injection location, select materials, review, move the gates, and compare the results. So for the first one is to create a project. How to create a project is you can click this one, new. The software will link us to this dialog, which is create a new project, and then type in this quick start filling analysis as our title and click OK. After you done the first one, so after you click OK, under the project manager taskbar, this area will show out the project quick start analysis as the name of our project. Okay, so we have done the first part, so we're going to move on to the next part, which is import a model. How to import a model? Click the import at the top left corner side and then click this 3-dot bar. And then since the tutorial wanted us to choose the panel IPT file, just choose the panel IDP file and click OK. So we just put next and then give it some time to run the analysis for you. Okay, so after the analysis is done, it will show us this dialog box, which is we have to make sure that the units is in millimeters, and then this is the dimension for these panels, and what we need to do next is click next. Yeah, again, give it some time to run the analysis for you. Just check the box is been ticked and then click next. Again, some time for processing. Yeah, we have to make sure that the analysis type is in standard dual domains and click finish. Okay, so this is our model, the panel in IPT file. So okay, we have finished the import model. So we move to our third part, is set the injection location. How to set the injection location? This is the tricky part. What the tutorial taught us is we can move this cube here. You can choose this one, like you can click this blue dot area and then click in and drag it, just like this. Yes, keep on dragging, turning around until we get the position we want. But for this part, refer to the tutorial page where they wanted something like this. Yeah, something like this. Top, right, and I don't know why this one cannot clearly see well. Let me give it some time. Front, yeah, top, right, and front. So it's around this. What most important part is this part, because later we're going to input this for the injection location here. You will put the injection and choose the location here. So you can move around. I'm going to introduce this part where this is the mouse. You can click any place you wanted, especially during the injection locations process. And then this one is the oriented one, where you can just dragging around, then the model will be rolling up and down, turning round and round. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so this one is to move the model without rotating. Then this one is when you click and then you move up is increase the view, and then move down to decrease the view. Okay, so without any stopping, let's continue. Okay, so what we need to do is we right click the property. After we done, we click this injection location and then try to set the place around here. Click in. Yes, this is the red cone shape, small cone shape is symbolized as this is the place where they're going to inject the plastics. This area. But we need to set the actual location, so just double click and then it will lead us to this edit properties, and then you can insert the values 480 for the X and 125 for the Y and 27 for the Z axis. then click OK or apply. You see how the red cone move from here to here. Okay, we're done. So after that, but before that, we need to set our material. So we need to select the material by clicking the select material under the molding process setup. So just make sure that the manufacturer is Styron EUR, Styron EUR here, and then the trade name will be Magnet 3416SC. And you click next. Just make sure that this is the value we wanted, 180 and 5.0, and click next and finish. We're done. So after we're done, actually we have been moved to the fourth section already, which is select the material and analyze. We already select the material, so we can start our analysis. Under the home, analysis, and click in the start analysis. And then give you some times to run the analysis for you. You can try to adjust a bit, whatever you want. So you can see at the left down bottom corners, you can see how many percentage the software had processed the model with the material we have been selected. And then I'm going to show you how they're going to how the injection, the animation will change after a few seconds. You can see, yes, like this, 22%, 26%, 31% fill. And then this actually symbolize like how the plaster is going to be injected into this model. You can see, just like that. Okay, so after the analysis is complete, the software will show this MOLDFLOW advisor where the analysis has been complete, and click OK. So this is the bottom section of the main desk. This one is the summary of the analysis we have been run just now. So if you want to close it, just go to Task under the Project Manager and click the summary to close down, and then click Open to open the summary if you want to read the summary. Okay, so after we're done, we're going to move to our fifth step, which is fill time, which is the review the result. So under the review the result, you need to click the fill time to see. You can see how the colors has been run. The pressure, the fill time is around 3 seconds, and then the injection pressure, which is around 89.96, which is over the limit because the injection pressure is over 70 megapascal. When the analysis a part without a runner system, the pressure to fill the part is best when under 50% of the machine capacity. If you do not know what specific machine is going to be used, assume the machine pressure capacity is 140 megapascal is a conservative approach. Alright, so you can see actually the color here is around this. You can see the red part and the blue part, which is more stable, more lower pressure. So we move to our 6 steps, which is move the gates. For the move the gates, for this one, under the panel study, you can click rename, and then the rename will be panel and gate. Panel and gate. Where for this model, the name will be named as model panel and gate. So for the 6th part, click the go to this save study as, but don't put panel end gate, you put panel bottom gate. Then click save. So this one is a new one. You can see the end gate here and the bottom gate here. So for the bottom gate, set the location. Just double click the con and then input the X for 245 and for the X and 10 point. Keyboard problems for the dot. 10 point. 10.55 for the Y, and then the X will be 12. Yes, and then click OK. So after the done, you can see the location has been shift to the left side in the middle section of the model. And then yeah, again under the analysis under home analysis section, and click the start analysis again. Yeah, and then give it some time to fill and run the analysis for us, like just now. So the analysis has been complete, and then just press OK, and then go under the task project manager under the taskbar, and then click the summary to close our summary. So we have finished our 6 steps. Now we're going to move to our last step, which is the compare the result. We're going to compare both panels, which is panel end gate and the panel bottom gate. Actually, you can just click this one to minimize the view. You can see actually we have both study running around. Yeah, this one is the end gate, and then this one is the bottom gate. Close down. So actually, yeah, actually we have 2 models been running at the same time. Okay, so double click the study end panel. Double click study end panel is going to be here, and then both study is going to be as yes we have done. So, but how we're going to compare? We move to home under the result, click in the results, yeah, and then move to the locking. Oh no, sorry, we have to move to the Windows first. Windows. Yeah, around here, and then click the tile vertically to show both study. Which is this one, tile vertically, click in, and then the system will arrange the system has been running together side by side, right? So this one is a panel end gate, and this one is a panel bottom gate. So right now we're going to do the locking, result locking all views. So you're going to the result again under the locking, and go for the locking all views, which is this one, locking all views, and then lock all plots, and then lock all animations. Okay, so all has been locked, has been done, and then after that you can click in the fill time. You can see both run. So the plastic flow, confidence of fill, quality prediction, and the injection pressure. You can see the injection pressure where the panel bottom gate will be shift the position has lower injection pressure, which is less than the previous one, less than the panel end gate, which is 66.07 megapascal. So yeah, we can do the animation. Yeah, I forgot. Just click in this one under animation, result, animation, click the start button. You can see how the system, the injection pressure is being flow like this. If you want to see to play around the application, this one is a loop. You can see when it come to here, and then we'll all and then play the animation all over again. Or you can play this one, which is we will bounce back, yeah, just like this. And then you can check your fill time, do this one, and then click the play. You can see the fill time, how the plastic is being injected into the model. Which is one is this position, another one is position is at here. Yeah, something like this. So we have finished our analysis. So thank you. I hope you can continue. We can continue exploring this AUTODESK simulation MOLDFLOW advisor. So yeah, thank you. Goodbye.